everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's fun video, we're going to make some super easy peanut butter cookies. So let's go over the ingredients. 1 cup of peanut butter, 250 grams. 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 200 grams. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 40 grams. 1 large egg. 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, about 1 gram. And our last ingredient, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, about 1 gram. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. So into a large bowl, I'm going to get in all of my white granulated sugar. I'm going to get my egg in there. That's good. A little bit of salt. And our peanut butter. I'm going to get all of this in. Okay, that's good. I'm going to use a little hand mixer, speed number 1. I just want to mix all of this together. And it's about 30 seconds of mixing, and that's good. So I have my flour and my little bit of baking soda. I'm just going to add that in. Give it a little bit of a stir. And you can either sift this or you can just pour it in. That's good. Just get it in. And now a very slow mix. And that's it for the recipe. So now for our last step, we're just going to get our cookie batter onto our tray. I'm just using a little silicone mat. That makes everything super easy. So I'm just going to grab some of this, just get it into my little scoop, just like that, and then get it right on there. And there we go. So if you want to make more cookies, use a smaller scoop. So I'll keep doing this, and I'll be back in a second. So these are ready for the oven now. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of granulated white sugar onto the tops of each one of these. And take a fork, just give them a little bit of a press. You can do the traditional crisscross, just like that. You can add more sugar if you wish. There are no rules. If you don't want to add the sugar, you don't need to. Let's give it a nice little push. Oh, that's good. And those are ready for the oven. So I've got my oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. And of course I've got a little bit left in my bowl. I'm going to finish that off as well, and then I'll come back and we'll finish off the video. Hey everybody, I baked my cookies for exactly 14 minutes. It smells amazing in here. I had a little bit of cookie dough left over in the bowl, and I was able to get 2 extra cookies onto my tray. So the last thing to do is go in for a little test. I'm just going to show you what they look like on the bottom side. Very nicely done. So let's just go into, look at this. Oh, oh, oh. This is nice. Look at that. Oh, gotta go in for a little test. That is so good. If you love peanut butter cookies, you gotta give this recipe a try. So you can see, very simple ingredients, but it yields a really good cookie. I'm just gonna go in for another little bite. That is so good. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm over there at BakeLikeAPro. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.